friends, today in this video I am going to talk about the importance of saving money. Why should we save money? Because there are many uses for us. For we want to buy food, we want to go to many places, we want to plan tourism, and there are many uses. And we must save some money in our bank account or in our locker somewhere, and saving in the bank is very good. And guys, let's go inside this video and know about the uses of saving money. For knowing all the uses, don't skip this video and see this video till end, guys. If we are saving money, there are many uses in the future by saving money. So for example, if there is a time there is some problems and we are getting some fever, we are admitted in the hospital, so we need some money for paying the hospital. So for that, the money we saved will be very useful. And also, for example, now this coronavirus, there is a great pandemic in this world and everything is locked down, and there is no mode of earning money for many people, and many people have also lost their work, their job. And for those people, though the lockdown is there will be the people must spend some money for buying many things. So for that they need money, so the money which is saved can be used. So saving the money is very important. And also by saving the money we can buy the car or scooters, bikes, and after some time home it has been a goal for many people who are going for the job, and it is very important also. And also if we are spending all the money we are earning, though it is a small amount or a big amount, if a person is earning just 10,000 or 5,000 in a month also, the person must save some money, that is 10% or 20%, that is 1,000 or 500. And if the person is even earning 1 lakh, that person must save 10,000 or 20,000 or even more than that. And also in such case, for saving more money and for increasing the wealth, the person should not be very congested, and the person must be happy and must spend correct amount of money and also spend the correct amount. And also if the person is saving the money, the person can buy a property which can be helpful for the person in the future also. If a person is running a shop or a mill, and if the person is buying some property, that can be status for him. And also if there is some losses in his company, he can use his house or his property for selling and can live happily with the money. But if the person is not saving any money, and in that time if some problem is coming, if he want to pay some money for some other person, that time the person will suffer and that person must take some loans, and there will be a very problem for that person. So and also at the time when the persons are becoming old age, like 60s or 55, 58, that time, and 59, that time they will be stopping working and they will be retired from their work. And also that time they also cannot do any work because their strong strengthness will become reduced and they will be weak, and also there will be some health issues for them also. So at that time they cannot go they can't go for a company or any place for working. So they should be at home and they cannot do more work also. At that time they can't earn money also. At that time that person will be suffering for money. Then when they are suffering for money, they must have saved some money when they were earning at the times of 30s and 40s. So that money will be helpful for them to live in 60s and 65s. and even at the 70s. So a person must earn and save money, that is small amount every year. If a person is getting salary of 20,000, if the person is saving just 5,000 in a month, it is enough. 50,000, 60,000 in a year, and if that becomes a big amount, that will be useful for that person for spending in the time when that person can't work. And it is very very important, and the person who is not saving money, it is a very foolish thing. So for all the person must save money for their future use. And guys, today my video is over, and I believe you like my video, and I believe you know that we all must save money. We must not spend all the money we are earning, and if we are spending all the money, it is very very dangerous for our future. So we must stop spending all the money. Thank you for seeing this video, guys, and I believe you like my video. And if you like this video, click the like button, share this video, and for more videos subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.